Hello, learners. I'm Parikshit Saikia. I have over 9 years of teaching experience and I teach live on the Unacademy platform. In today's session, we are going to solve a couple of high scoring problem sets for the CAT LRDI sets. Remember, LRDI is just not about solving the sets, but it's also being able to solve the sets in the quickest possible time. And in today's set, I'm going to teach you how to collect data, how to collate data, how to put it in the presentable format so that solving the caselet becomes super easy. It's all about logic in my classes, and you know that well. Let's get started. Some exciting, high level, high quality problem sets coming up in this session. Let's start. Please read this. I'm going to ensure that I'm streaming live on YouTube. So please give me a moment for that. Just give me a moment. Please read the case, and this is from the CAT 1990 paper. Okay. Okay. Let's take up the first case then. Ghosh Babu has a certain amount of property consisting of cash, gold coins, and silver bars. The cost of a gold coin is rupees 4,000. Let me just use a pointer. And the cost of a silver bar is rupees 1,000. So if you are reading it, the guy has got three things: cash, gold, and silver. And then they are giving you the cost of one gold coin and the cost of one silver bar. Ghosh Babu distributed his property among his daughters equally. Okay, and what is the property? The property consists of three things, right? So basically, he has distributed the cash, gold, and the silver bar among his daughters equally. He gave his eldest daughter gold coins worth 20% of the total property and rupees 25,000 in cash. The second daughter, so let's start writing it down. I mean, we can't just keep reading it, right? So we'll have to note it down. Let's start noting down the information, okay? So maybe we can draw a table and try to put this data, right? That's what we'll do, okay? So what do you have in the property? You have gold, okay? You have gold, you have silver, and you have cash. So these three things are getting distributed among his daughters, right? So how many daughters are there? You have the eldest, second eldest, third, and fourth daughters. So I think there are total four daughters. So let's write it down. You have D1, D2, D3, and D4. These are your four daughters, right? So this is what I need to fill up. This is what I need to fill up. And if you want, you can have another column called the total. Call the total, right? Total vertically as well as total horizontally. Total horizontally. That's it. This is all that you need to fill up. If you're able to fill up this, I think you'll be able to solve all those questions that have come in the CAT 1990 paper. So let's go back and read again. Okay, we need to fill this table. So cost of a gold coin is given as rupees 4,000 and the cost of a silver bar is rupees 1,000. So let's take a note of that. I don't know where to put it in the table, but what I know is gold and silver price is given, right? Price of one is given. So gold is 4,000 and the price of silver is 1,000 rupees. We'll take a note of that. Ghosh Babu distributed his property among his daughters equally. Okay, so everyone gets equal amount. Think about it. Four people getting the property equally means 100 divided by 4. So everyone gets 25% each. Will you agree? Everyone would get 25% each because 100 divided by 4, you are dividing it equally. So everyone should get 25% each. So percentage wise, it would be 25%. Okay. Next, he gave his eldest daughter gold coins worth 20% of the total property. Okay, so to the eldest daughter, how much did you give? You gave gold coins worth 20% of the total and rupees 25,000 in cash. 25,000 in cash. Now think about it. You gave the eldest daughter two things: gold coins worth 20% and cash worth 25,000. Now think about it. Total that the eldest daughter got is 25%. Total that the eldest daughter got is 25%, and you have given her two things: gold, cash. Gold is 20%. So in that case, can I say cash should be 5%? Only then the total worth of the property will be 25%. So horizontally, if you add up, it has to add up to 25. So if gold is 20, cash has to be 5 because they say that to eldest daughter you give two things. What did you give? Gold and cash. So nothing in silver. Fine, I think we have it. If that's the case, if 5% is 25,000, I think we are almost done. How much is going to be 20%? What is the value of 20%? 20% is going to be 4 times, right? 4 times of 5%. So 5% is 25,000. 20% is going to be 4 times. So 4 times of 25,000 is going to be 100,000. 100,000. So if this is 25,000, this is going to be 100,000. Great. So total is 1,25,000. That's what the first daughter gets. Second one also, everyone is equal. So the second also has to be 1,25,000. So this also 1,25,000. This also 1,25,000. So total is 1,25,000 into 4, 500 lakhs. 500,000. Right? 125,000, 500,000. Clear? So I think we are done up till the first daughter. Let's go to the second one. The second daughter was given silver bars worth 20% of the remaining property and rupees 50,000 cash. So the second daughter got 50,000 cash, and what did he get? He had got silver bars, right? So think about it. If 50,000 is cash, the remaining has to be silver bars because she was given two things. So no gold to her, and total she got is 1,25,000. So if 50,000 is cash, 1,25,000 minus 50, 75,000 should be silver for her. I think we have filled up daughter 1 as daughter 2 very nicely. I think it's easy, and I don't think you should have a doubt at this stage. Clear? I'm looking at my YouTube comments. I don't see any doubts, so we'll continue. Third one. He then gave each of the third and fourth daughters equal number of gold coins and silver bars, both together accounting each for 20% of the property remaining after the previous distribution. So what has happened? Daughter 3, let's read the line carefully. He then gave each of the third and fourth daughters, okay? How much did he give? Equal number of gold coins and silver bars, both together. So gold and silver together, this number is given to us. Gold and silver together, this number is given to us, okay? Gold and silver together, this number is given to us. How much is it? It accounts for 20% of the property remaining, okay? Each accounting for 20% of the property remaining after the previous distribution. So how much distribution has been made till now? How much distribution has been made till now? 1,25,000 plus 1,25,000. So 2,50,000 has been made. So how much is remaining? Can I say at this stage, remaining property at this stage is 500,000 minus whatever you gave to the first two daughters. You gave to the first two daughters 1,25,000 plus 1,25,000 makes it 2,50,000. So the remaining property is 2,50,000. Of this 2,50,000, you gave each of the daughters 20% of the remaining. 20% of this 2,50,000 to each of the daughters in the form of gold and silver. So can I say gold and silver together will be 20%. So 20% of this number, 2,50,000, 25% if you do, it will be 50,000. 50,000. So here also 50,000, here also 50,000. Together it is 50,000. Right? Someone might say, sir, is it 25,000 each? No, it's not 25,000 each. Why? Because the question clearly says its money is not equal. What it's equal is equal number of gold and silver bars. Equal number. Remember, the price of gold and silver is different. Price is different. So equal number doesn't mean money wise also it's gonna be equal. Think about it. I buy an iPhone and I buy maybe a pencil. One iPhone, one pencil. Equal number, right? But the amount spent is not equal, right? Amount spent on the iPhone would be much better, much more compared to the amount spent on a pencil. Though I bought equal number of pencils and iPhone. Same logic applies, right? Great. What each and rupees 25,000 more than what the second daughter had received in cash. Okay, and what do they say? And rupees 25,000 more than what the second daughter has received in cash. Obviously, second daughter received 50,000. This two daughters received 25,000 more. So I think that's easy to determine because anyway 1,25,000 minus 50,000 would have been 75,000. So 25,000 more than the second daughter in cash is 50 plus 25, 75,000 each. That is it, and we got it. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Any doubt in this? Do you understand? Easy? Great. If it is easy, I think that's all that we can fill up. Let's go to the questions. Let's go to the questions, okay? Sorry. Number one, the amount of property in gold and silver possessed by Ghosh Babu. Okay. Gold and silver. What is the total of gold and silver? Total of gold and silver, if you add up, 1 lakh plus 75,000, 1 lakh 75 plus 50, 2 lakh 25 plus 50, 2 lakh 75. So can I say total of gold and silver is 2 lakh 75,000, 2 lakh 75,000, which is option B. Option B. Next, total property of Ghosh Babu is, so total property of Ghosh Babu, we already calculated that 500,000 or 5 lakhs. 500,000 or 5 lakhs in lakhs, answer option is A. Next, if Ghosh Babu had equal number of gold and silver bars, equal number, the number of silver bars he has is, okay, equal number of gold and silver. So, okay. So let's say number of gold and silver bars is equal. So this would be X and this is X. Silver is X and gold is also X. It's equal after all, right? So what is the total amount spent on gold and silver? Total amount. Can I say 4,000 into X is the total amount spent on gold? Think about it. If X is 20, total amount spent on gold will be 4,000 into 20. Why? Price of one gold bar is 4,000. So if I buy 20 of them, 4,000 into 20. In this case, instead of 20, it's X. So we'll have X. Similarly, silver is 1,000 into X. And how much did I spend totally on gold and silver? Totally on gold and silver, if you look at it, you spend 2,75,000. 2,75,000. So can I say 5,000 X is equal to 2,75,000? You can cancel off the zeros. X is equal to 555, and that's the answer. So how many did you buy? 55 gold bars, 55 silver bars. Answer is 55. Answer is 55. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Is it clear? Beautiful caselet, and this was from the CAT 1990 paper. Great. Let's go to the second one. Let's go to the second caselet, okay? Number two. Okay, now before I move to the second caselet, quick note to all of you. We, Unacademy, are running an exclusive offer till July 27. We have the last few days left for CAT 2023, right? Just 100 more days, just 3.5 months more. And at this stage, if you're still dreaming, if you can get into an IIM Ahmedabad, the answer is an absolute yes. And we are there to help you out. We are also providing a 25% flat discount, okay, till July 27. All you need to do is subscribe using the discount code Parikshit Live, which is there at the bottom of your screen. If you use this code, you will not only get 25% off, but more than that, for the first time ever, right? I won't say for the first time ever, rather I would say I think for the last 2-3 years, I think it's just the second time where the prices are below 20,000 during this offer period. So you remember, if you're a CAT 2023 aspirant below 20,000 and help you get into a dream B school, let's say an IIM Ahmedabad, what more do you want? Use the code Parikshit Life, enroll on or before July 27. And the best part is, if you enroll using the discount code Parikshit Life, you'll also get free mentorship from my side. And that's available only and only on this code Parikshit Life. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the second case then, okay? Number two. Okay. India, Pakistan. Okay, this is a quick question from games and tournaments. India, Pakistan, Malaysia, South Korea, Japan, and China. There are 6 teams are to take part in the Asian Hockey Championship. Okay. In the first round, each team plays each of the other teams exactly once. At this stage, 2 points are awarded for a win, 1 point for a draw. So let's write it down. What do we have? So if you win, you get +2, right? If it is a draw, you get +1, okay? And 0 points for a loss. After all the matches are played, the top 2 teams in terms of the points scored advance to the finals. Okay, so there are basically 2 rounds. The first round, where everyone plays against each of the teams exactly once. And then the top 2 teams goes to the finals. In case 2 or more teams end up with the same number of points, the team with a better goal difference is placed higher. So if you have the same number of points, you can think about it. There's a run rate. If we talk about cricket, it's like a run rate, right? So if two teams have the same number of points, all you need to check is who has a higher run rate. Whoever has a higher run rate goes to the finals. Fine. So I think it's very clear. Six teams are there. Everyone plays against every other team exactly once in round one, and the top two teams play and go and play round two, which is the finals. And the scoring pattern is given. You win 2 points, you draw, you get 1 point, and if you lose, 0 points, right? Win, draw, and let's say lose. I'll call that L, right? I'll call that L, lose. Okay. Let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. Total number of matches in the tournament. Okay, there are 6 teams in the tournament. So let's call it, let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, there are 6 teams: A, B, C, D, E, F. So what are the total number of matches? Think about round one. In round one, can I say the total matches? Think about A. A is gonna play against every other team exactly once. So it's gonna be AB, AC, AD, AE, AF. So these are your 5 matches. Correct? What about B? You know B, don't count B and A again. Think about it. India, Pakistan, and Pakistan, India are one and the same. If India is playing against Pakistan, then if I count India, Pakistan, it's enough, right? I don't have to count Pakistan, India again. So AB you have already counted. All you need to count is the teams on the right side of B. Right side. Don't count on the left hand side because B and AB are one and the same and already counted. So just count on the right side of B. Right side of B is BC. It could be BD. It could be BE. It could be BF. Similarly, C. Don't count on the left side of C. Why? Because CA and AC are one and the same. Already counted. CB and BC are one and the same. Already counted. Just count on the right side of C. CD, CE, CF. Similarly, right side of D, DE, DF. Similarly, last one is EF. So how many matches are there? You have 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 makes it 15 matches in round. And then your final, right? Plus another one. Why is it plus one? Because you also have to include the final. The final was also played, right? Final was also played. So in total, can I say there were 16 matches in the tournament? So total number of matches in the tournament is option D, 16. Are we clear on this? Are we clear on this? Any doubt? I'm looking at my YouTube comments. If you have a doubt, feel free to ask your query. Clear? Clear? 16 matches. Okay. Fine. If it is clear, I'll go to question number 2. I'll go to question number 2. What is the minimum number of points with which a team can advance to the finals? Team can advance to the finals. Okay. Now let's take an example. Let's take an example. Okay. I'm going to take a quick example. Let's say there is a match between India versus Pakistan. India versus Pakistan. Okay. What are your possible outcomes? What are your possible outcomes? Think about it. Possible outcomes could be India wins, Pakistan loses. Right? That's the most probable outcome, hopefully for us. Next, India loses and okay, let me keep some space and write it down. Let me keep some space and then write. India wins, Pakistan loses. Or the other possibility could be India loses and Pakistan wins. And the third possibility could be it's a draw. It's a draw, right? Both of them ends up with a draw. Now think about the marking schemes. Think about the marking schemes. In the first match, what happens? India gets 2 points, Pakistan gets 0 points. Remember, a win fetches you 2 points, loss fetches you 0 points. So in total, the number of points across in the match is 2. Someone will get 2 points in total. Second possibility, India loses, so India gets 0 points. Pakistan wins, Pakistan gets 2 points. So in total, there are again 2 points in the match. And in the third scenario, it's a draw. India gets 1, Pakistan gets 1. Remember, the draw score is plus 1. Again, the total points in the match is 2. So no matter whatever the outcome, can I say in a match, there are total 2 points. Doesn't matter. Some team, total points is 2. Either one team will get, India will get, or Pakistan will get, or draw. But whatever the case, total points to be distributed in the match is 2. Fine? Great. Okay. Now, how many matches are there in the league round or in round one? Remember, we already calculated that round one has got 15 points, 15 matches. Round one has got 15 matches. Okay, round one, 15 matches, right? So we will take this two pieces of information and then start solving. Okay, two pieces of information and then start solving. Okay, let's just delete everything on the slide. Okay, so fine. Round one, I hope you remember, has total 15 matches, right? Round one has total 15 matches. So round one in total has 15 matches. So 15 matches is equal to how many points? Remember, one match, 2 points. So can I say one match, 2 points? So round one in total has got 30 points. 30 points. What is the question? What is the minimum number of points with which a team can advance to the finals? So let's say there are 6 teams. So let's someone will be rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, and rank 6. Remember, there is no tie. I mean, there is no two teams with the same ranking. Why? Because if there is a tie, you have a tiebreaker in place. The team with the better goal difference is placed higher. Now, the question that they're asking, what is the question that they're asking? Minimum number of points with which a team can advance to the finals. Minimum number of points with which a team can advance to the finals. How many points would that be? How many points will that be? Let's think about it. Remember, in the finals, there are two teams that go. In the finals, there are two teams that will go to the finals. Two teams, right? Two teams that will go to the finals. So, can I say, let's say these are the two teams that go to the finals, top two. And in the top two team, let's say I'm trying to minimize this. I want to minimize rank number two. Why? Rank one will be maximum. Now, three things. First thing, can I say among round one and among rank one and rank two, if rank two has to be minimum, rank one has to be maximum. For rank two to be minimum, rank one have to be maximum. For rank two to be minimum, rank one has to be maximum. What is the maximum number of points that can be scored by a team which goes to the finals? Maximum could be the team wins all the 5 matches. The maximum possible scenario could be the top team wins all the matches. Remember, there are 6 teams, and if team number one wins all the matches, it can win a maximum of 5 matches. Think about it. Let's say India is ranked one. India is ranked one. So India wins against Pakistan, against Malaysia, against South Korea, against Japan, against China. 5 matches, it wins, and one win 2 points. So round one, rank one can get a maximum of 10 points. Rank one can get a maximum of 10 points. Make sense? Clear? Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this? Clear? Awesome. Now think about it. Minimum, how much can be rank 2? Now rank 2 can be minimum when will be minimum. When will rank 2 be minimum? Rank 2 will be minimum when it is equal to the last team in the tournament. Will you agree? Rank 2 will be minimum. When am I minimum? Think about it. I want to be the minimum scorer in a match. When I am as bad as the worst guy in the tournament, I'm as bad as the worst guy. Can I be as bad as the worst guy and still end up in the finals? Absolutely. How? When all of them are equal. So let's say if R2 is equal to the worst guy, which is the worst guy? सबसे खराब वाला player, rank 6. If R2 and R6 are equal, in that case, can rank 2 be the minimum score? Absolutely. Is it possible? Absolutely. How is it possible? Total there were 15 matches. So 30 points were there in round one. 30 points may say the top team got 10 points. So can I say the remaining points? What are the remaining points? Remaining points is 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 is 20 points. Remaining points is 30 minus 10, 20 points. And I have 5 teams. So can I distribute this 20 points equally? 20 points are there, distributed equally, 20 by 5, 4 points. So what happens if everyone gets 4 points? Everyone gets 4 points. Rank 2 and is as bad as the worst guy in the tournament. Who is the worst guy? Rank 6. But he still ends up going to the finals. Why? He wins in the net run rate. He has a better net run rate. That's it. So the learning here is, if I have to be the minimum, I should be equal to the worst guy. Can I be equal to the worst guy? Absolutely. Me, the worst guy, all of them are equal. So answer is 4. Answer is 4. Option C. Option C. Any doubt on this? Clear? Clear? Fine. Let's go to the third one. Let's go to the third one. Number 3. Let's go to number 3. Okay, number 3. Let's go to number three. Number three, okay? Fine. Let's go to number three. Let's take up number three. Okay. What is the maximum number of points? What is the maximum number of points that can be scored by a team which fails to advance to the finals? Maximum number of points that can be scored by a team which fails to advance to the finals. Okay, maximum. Now, which team advances to the finals? Think about it. Round two, rank one and rank two. Okay, let's put it rank one. Every time I'm calling it round. Rank one, rank two, let's say rank three, and similarly rank four, rank five, rank six. Okay. Maximum points scored by a team that fails to advance to the finals. So I think we need to talk about rank three. Why? Because rank one and rank two go to the finals. One and two go to the finals. So who will not go to the finals and can still be the maximum? Rank 3, right? Rank 3. So think about it. What can be the maximum score of rank 3? Now I will be maximum. I'm rank 3 in the class. Think about it. I'm rank 3 in the class and you want me to maximize my score. When can I be maximum? I can be maximum when I'm equal to the rank 1, when I'm equal to rank 1. Simple, no? When will I be minimum? I am minimum when I'm equal to the last rank. When am I minimum? I'm minimum when I'm equal to the last rank. When am I maximum? I am maximum when I'm equal to the first rank. Right? So rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, all of these three are equal. All three are equal. I'll be maximum. That is it. That is it. So what are the total points? 30. But can you distribute all 30 points divided by 3? 30 divided by 3 and say 10? No, 10 would be incorrect. Why? Because think about it. Look at these three teams, these teams who did not go to the finals. They played some matches among themselves. Think about it. Was there a match between rank 4 and rank 5? Similarly, was there a match between rank 4 and rank 6? Similarly, was there a match between rank 5 and rank 6? Right? Rank 4 versus rank 5, rank 4 versus rank 6, and rank 5 versus rank 6. So was there a match among these three teams? Right? So let's say a match between rank 4 and rank 5. You cannot give that point to rank 1, or for that matter to rank 2, or for that matter, you cannot give that point to rank 3. There are 2 points, and that 2 points will be distributed between rank 4 and rank 5 in some manner. Either rank 4 gets both the points, or rank 5 gets both the points, or they will get 1-1 equally if it's a draw. So these three matches, and one match has 2 points. So total there are 6 points in these 3 matches, which R4, R5, and R6 will take. You cannot give it to them, to rank 1, rank 2, or rank 3. Right? So how much are the remaining points at this stage now? Forget these 6 points. How much are the remaining points? Can I say remaining points are 30 points minus these 6 points, which I cannot give it to rank 1, rank 2, and rank 3. So 30 minus 6, 24 points. These 24 points can be equally distributed among these three teams. So can I say 24 divided by 3? 24 divided by 3, it could be 8 points each. That's it. Answer is 8. That is it. Brilliant learning. Learning. I want to minimize something. I should be equal to the worst guy. I want to maximize something. I should be equal to the best guy. Rank 1 guy. That is it. 2 simple learnings, but beautiful high performance caselets. These will be classified as moderate to difficult level caselets in the CAT if it comes. Do practice these caselets, and trust me, the improvements that you will see in games and tournaments, and the improvements that you will see in such miscellaneous caselets like the previous one which came in CAT 90 would be enormous. I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of learning. And I'm going to see you in my next session. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. Bye for now.